Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca and today I'm going to be talking about 5 spots that have been important and memorable throughout my degree at UBC. So my first important spot at UBC is actually Totem Park residence. I used to live in that room right there, and that is the first place I ever moved out from my parents' house to. It was a tiny little room, but I completely loved it. It was the first space that was like completely mine. I had lots of late night study sessions there. I had friends hanging out there. It was my alone spot when I got stressed out with school, and the commons block, which is just behind me here, is where I would go for breakfast and dinner with my friends during finals. This is just like was my first home here, and it was really special to me. So the second important spot at UBC for me is actually in this building right behind. That is Kaiser 1180, which is the main mechanical engineering lab. That's the lab that you get 24-hour access to during your project courses in second year, and you do most of your labs in there for various different courses as well. So this is one of like the first places that I got to apply hands-on skills. I spent a lot of time in that room. I learned how to work with a team. I learned how to build various different things. That's also where the competitions are, and my team did quite well in the competitions, so that was, you know, sort of a happy thing to happen in there as well. And it's just a place that I sort of keep coming back to throughout my degree, and it's been really cool. My next spot is the building that I'm currently in, the Engineering Student Center, or more specifically Cheeze, which is the building that used to be here before we got this brand new, beautiful building. When I was in first year and interested in joining Alpha Omega Epsilon, the engineering sorority, I came to an event at the Cheeze where I met lots of the current members of the sorority, as well as members of the engineering fraternity, Sigma Phi Delta. And those people ended up being some of my best friends throughout my whole degree, and Alpha Omega Epsilon ended up being pretty significant throughout my degree because I was president this last year. And this has also been a really good spot for things like E-Week, just studying with friends, parties, lots of stuff like that. Another one of my top spots is the Engineering Design Center, which is this building behind me. I mentioned this building in my top 5 study spots video, but I come here a lot to study, especially in second year. I came here every day pretty much with a group of friends who are now some of my best friends in the whole world. I just have spent a lot of time in this building. My capstone meetings were in this building this year, and this courtyard is where the 14 Not Forgotten memorial is held every year. So this building has sort of been like an anchor through lots of different parts of my degree. My next significant spot is the UBC Rose Garden. This is a spot that's significant because it'll be the last place that I will be as a UBC student, because when you graduate, that's where you go to take all your beautiful photos. And it's also a place that I go to a lot before finals, because it's very calm and peaceful. So I normally stop studying, you know, about an hour before my finals, get some food, and then go to the Rose Garden to relax. So that's been kind of a routine for me throughout my whole degree. And it's just been a really nice spot to go to. I hope you enjoyed coming to see my top 5 spots at UBC throughout my degree, and I will see you next time. Bye!